Hey everyone, welcome back. So last time I talked about Experience Philippines one day one experience drone class where we got people who have never flown drones before or maybe have only flown DJI drones before, and we got them all to try out all the different sorts of drones from the Phantom all the way to the race drones. So it was a really cool experience for them. It was the first time for them to fly fly FPV with the goggles and everything, and it was really a fun experience. So finally, after a couple of weeks waiting, Experience Philippines has now published their video of that day, and it's now they're primarily on Facebook, so it's now on their Facebook page, which I'll link in the description below, and also I'll also link to it from my previous video about the one day one experience. It might take some time for them to upload it on YouTube because they're primarily on Facebook, but that's okay. So anyway, we're gonna watch that. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Hey everyone, my name is Jeff. I'm here with Experience Philippines for One Day One Experience, and today we're gonna be flying drones. My original passion is always about technology, so I went to computer science, always trying to build things, started with Legos, RC, and everything. Here?
Yes, a bit.
Now?
I want to try it again.
You have control, but I'm taking it back.
Dizzy.
Very good, very easy. Natural. Whew, that was cool. Hope you enjoyed flying and crashing with us. This is Imagination Tech, and that was One Day One Experience! Alright, that was awesome. So first of all, props to Jenny Raghome for the awesome camera work, and also for Marcus Grip, who also did the camera work as well as the superb editing on this video. It's really great, and it's really great. So more power to Gian and the rest of the guys at Experience Philippines. So again, the video is out now. Do check it out on their Facebook page, which I will link in the description below. And we don't have a schedule yet for the next one day one experience drone flying, but do watch out for that on their Facebook page, and head on over to experience.ph because they offer other experiences as well, and also the random road trips, which are trips where you just you book a trip with them, but you don't know where you're going. You just hop on the bus and they'll take care of the rest, right? And that's a super fun experience as well. So yeah, I do hope you check this video out. It was a very nice video, nicely done. So do check that video out. In the meantime, keep building and keep flying. I'm so long